Hey guys, join me today as I build a floating vanity for our powder room. I purchased 2 half-inch plywood sheets and I had to make the initial cuts right away to get them to fit in my car. I was lucky it was such a nice sunny day for doing some cutting in the parking lot. Now that I'm back home, I'm making the precise cuts based on the exact measurements. Next, I'm sanding down each individual piece to ensure a smooth finish. I'm using pocket holes to conceal the screws that will be holding the vanity together. This entire process is very similar to building a standard cabinet. Now I'm applying edge banding to all the visible edges of the project for a clean look. Here, I'm cutting the necessary holes for the door hinges and getting them installed. I'm cutting many thin strips that I'll use to add slats to the vanity doors. This is key for achieving that clean, modern design. Time to cut away any excess parts. For the finish, I'm first applying stain conditioner, followed by special walnut stain, and then a clear protective coat. Next up is cutting the hole in the top surface where the vessel sink will sit. Before the final install, I need to patch and clean up the wall where the old pedestal sink was mounted. My little helper assisted me with getting the vanity into its final place and making sure everything was perfectly leveled. I'm adding some final touches to give the vanity a completely finished look. And here's the final result. Let me know in the comment section what you think of the build and what improvements I could make. Until next time.